In this exercise, we'll create a new device type for a MICOM relay with IEC61850 protocol in SCADA Expert. So to do this, first we have to open Profile Editor, then click on File, Import to import the CID file. Click on Open, leave the import template blank, click on Start Import, and in here we can do our filtering either with a report control block or functional constraint. This exercise will choose report control block, and we'll choose the LLN0 URCBA and BRCBA for this exercise, and click on Continue. If you click on Data, you can see that the system already matched some tags for the XCBR1. If you check XCBR3 and XCBR2, you don't have any tags matched, so we have to match the tags or create new tags. In order to integrate our MICOM relay, we will need to create a new tag that would profile the data related to XCBR2 and XCBR3. By default, in the import wizard, several items are matched for XCBR1, while nothing is selected for XCBR2 and XCBR3. In the next steps, we'll correct this one. If you select a match tag for XCBR1, you can see to which tag it was matched. So you can see here that DA STVal is matched to the breaker status position. So we're going to do the same for XCBR2 and XCBR3. Now we'll create a new tag for the circuit breaker 2 position. So you go to FCST, DA origin and DA STVal. You right click on it, create a new, and in here you click on create from, type breaker status, and you search. This is the breaker status that we want. Click on OK. We have to modify the display name and the tag name. For the tag name, it should match the IEC61850 naming convention. And we leave the remaining information as is. Click on Save and Exit. You'll see that now my tag is in green color. So now we'll do the same for the other tags. So we click on STVal bad, right click, create a new, click on create from, breaker status, expand miscellaneous, click on error, click on OK. We have to modify the names also, so CB2. Click on Save and Exit. Same thing for intermediate. Right click on it, create from, breaker status, miscellaneous, click on intermediate, OK, again, change the name, save and exit for the off. And the last one for the on position. Set the on position. And this is also for circuit breaker 2. Save and exit. You can see now that all the breaker positions are matched. They are green for circuit breaker 2. We can do the same for circuit breaker 3. Same procedure, just change the names, tag name and display name. Now to enable remote control, we have to go to DO lock, click on the ASTval, same procedure, create new, create from, type in here remote control, you search, click on remote control inhibited, here it's /lock, and for this one is circuit breaker 2, save and exit. Now we minimize control, we go to measurement. You can see that no measurement was matched in our template, so we have to match the current at least. For example, click on DAF, let's match it to current A, click on search, double click on it, my tag will be orange, check for the information. If I agree on the information, I click on match, it will be green. You can do the same for phase B and C. So I search for current B, I always scroll down, double click on current B, I match it if I agree on the information, and the final one we'll do is current C. Click on search, scroll to the end of the page, double click, and if we agree again, we click on match. Since no protection is defined on our device, we have to define protection for it. So we go to LD protection. We'll just create an under frequency alarm. So I click on DA general, type under frequency, I search for it, double click, and again I match if I agree on the information. Now we will go to FC, ST, then DA general. It corresponds to the operate of the under frequency unit 1 protection. So we need to also define a tag for it. To do this, click on it, right click, create a new, create from, and in here you type 81L, onboard alarm 81L unit 1. Oops, sorry. Click on onboard alarm 81L unit 1. Click on OK. Then you have for sure to modify your tag name. So this is my tag name, and I have to change my display name. Unit 1 start. Click on save and exit, and my tag will be green. You can see now I have 17 matched tags and one which is unmatched. Always the unmatched is my device name. So I right click, I click on it, right click, create a new. This is my device type name. I can say P545 underscore 61850. I click on OK, it will be green, and I can now complete my import. I click on complete import. Now you'll be prompted to either save or not save your import template. In our case, since we did a lot of job on it, we click on yes for future work. So we can call it Mecom 545. Click on OK, and it will be saved in our template. Now if you click on define device type tags, you browse for your device. So this is the P545 61850, and you can see those are the three currents that we created. My under frequency unit 1 start, my fault, and those are my circuit breakers position. If I click on onboard alarm tag, this is my under frequency which I defined. Now I have to create a profile for my Macom relay. Click on add edit, create a new, next, give it a name, give it Macom 545 underscore IEC61850. Click on next, choose my devices, next. Those are my tags, take them, click on next, and then I click on close wizard and finish. I export my profile to my project. This is my project, save and exit, click on export project, and then on OK. Next step, we have to instantiate our device. So we go to SATAC project editor, click on tools, profile wizard, create an IO device in the project, choose our profile, click on next, then we type IEC 61850 underscore Macom underscore 1. So this is my first device. Device 1, just the name, put my VRCB name, so system / LLN 0 $VR $BRCB A 0 1. Click on next, browse for my file, SCL file, TID file, P545 example, click on OK. IED will be directly retrieved. Click on next, next, and my device is now created.